Okay, this is the best fan I've ever had. I had one lasted 20 years. They blow much better than a box fan. This is the Honeywell Turbofan. It's like 16, 17 bucks. But in my house in Florida here, we got dirty air, and you can see we collect a bit of dust. So we're going to clean this thing. Don't need to take these off. Okay, what you got is 6 screws around the perimeter here that are deep. You need a long driver, and you just go ahead and go get those. If you know how to get that washer off, let me know. One of them squeeze washers. Okay, and there we go, all clean. Now we take a shower. Happy day to you.